International Confex, the exhibition for event professionals. And today I'm talking about being 10% braver when it comes to diversity and courageous conversations, right up my street, right? It's a great event. I cannot wait to get in there. Let's go. Johnny Bean treasure! Today, this theatre is about the story that hasn't been written yet, and the pen is in your hand. That's what's so exciting. What would it look like if you were just 10% braver today?
Listening to Jazz was amazing, a great start to the whole conference. I really enjoyed Jazz's speech, the bit where she said about how language is important and how especially women are always apologising for stuff.
Be yourself, don't be apologetic to that. Definitely going to be recommending Jazz for some of our clients.
I'm really inspired by what she said this morning, and I am going to be showing up here 10% braver.
There we go. You know what's great about events like this? Sometimes the tech might not work, there's a lot to organise, but it's all about the people in the room. It's about engaging with people. That's why I'm so honoured and impressed with people coming up at the end, being 10% braver and talking about what they were going to do differently. That is what this is all about. So thank you, Confex. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you, People and Culture Theatre. I'll see you next time.